Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. As far as the center is concerned, there has been a suggestion made from various quarters of the house that what we seem to be suffering from as far as the central government is concerned is lack of coordination between the various ministries. For some months now, we have been working with an economic committee of the cabinet in which all the ministers who are concerned with the economic side of administration meet often, sometimes twice a week, to consider jointly the economic problems that affect them all. And since I am perhaps very directly concerned with the working of that committee, I think I have some right to say that we have made a certain measurable degree of progress in the matter of coordination at the center. But as my honorable friend Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee mentioned, the question of coordination is equally important as between the center and the states. Some of our greatest difficulties arise from the fact that under the kind of constitutional system under which we are working today, policy is laid down by the center, but the execution of the policy is in the hands of the state governments. If there is not enough coordination, if there is not sufficient attempt on the part of the two agencies of government to get together and work out their problems jointly, we shall not be able to make the progress that we all desire. I do hope in the days which are immediately ahead of us, as soon as the Constitution has come into force, we probably shall have at our disposal a more effective machinery for this purpose. Sir, in the speech which I made on the motion before the House, I placed before honorable members the program that the government have in mind in order to meet the difficulties created by devaluation. If I may take most important of the difficulties that we have to face, the most important directions in which government have to move, I would mention three particularly. Now I come to the main will. It goes without saying that a change is needed in the patents law, because our law, our last act is of 1911. 1911 is a period when this country was industrially not at all developed. It is very necessary to see how our law should be modified in order that the patents law is not detrimental to consumer interests and is not prejudicial to the industrial development of the country. If the law stands against these two, then it has to be changed. Therefore, an attempt has been made to change the law full stop.